Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video you guys, I will be showing you how I do my baked macaroni and cheese. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first we're going to start by measuring out and boiling 2 cups of elbow macaroni. And once you pour the elbow macaroni into your boiling water, you're going to only boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remember guys, you don't want your macaroni to boil until it's soft. You just want it to be a little bit tender. So next we will be doing our cheese sauce. So I will be adding 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of each seasoning that I use. And I will also be adding the cheese as well, the shredded cheese, to this cheese sauce mix. And for the black pepper, you guys, I'm just adding a half of teaspoon because I already added 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper already. So I don't want it to be overly spicy. So I'm just adding a half of teaspoon of black pepper. So now you're just gonna whisk everything together to make sure all the seasonings are blended in properly before you add your shredded cheese. So once you mixed in all your seasonings, you want to make sure it has the taste that you want. If not, you can always go ahead and add a little bit of salt or a little bit more seasoning depending on the taste that you're going for. So next to our cheese sauce mix, we're going to be adding 2 cups of shredded cheese. And guys, you can use various different cheeses, anything from Swiss, pepper jack, Gouda, mozzarella. Here I'm using a 3 cheese blend and I'm adding 2 cups of this. So now that our macaroni is now tender and ready to go, I'm just going to be adding it to the baking tin, and I'm going to be doing a layering method. So I'm just going to put in some macaroni first, and I'm going to add some sauce, mix that in a bit, then add the rest of the macaroni, and then layer it with the sauce as well until everything is completed. And also guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So now that our mac and cheese is ready for the oven, I'm gonna be baking it on 350 degrees for 45 minutes. But after the first 30 minutes, I'm gonna take it out of the oven and add more cheese to the top, and I'm gonna return it back to the oven for another 15 minutes. So this is me adding more cheese to the top after it has been baking in the oven for 30 minutes. So after adding this cheese, I'm just gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then our mac and cheese is gonna be all done. So there you have it, guys. This is my baked macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna let this cool down for a bit before I cut into it and show you guys what it looks like. So this is a quick, easy, and simple recipe that anyone can follow along to. Yes, guys, so I was so busy in the kitchen, I forgot to cut into it to show you guys what it's looking like. So this is about 2.5 hours later, and I'm just cutting into it now just to show you guys what it's looking like on the inside. I was so busy that day in the kitchen, I forgot to cut into it to bring you guys in for a close-up. But anyways, nevertheless, here you go. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.